Hi guys, I'm here again with another interesting video on one of our Nigerian soups. So today we'll basically be making seafood okra. Yes, I know some of you may have heard about seafood okra, especially if you're a Nigerian. But for those that are not Nigerian, I'm going to be showing you or putting you through the process of making this simple dish. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. So here are the ingredients we'll be using: shrimps, calamari, okra. The okra has been chopped already. Then we have our fish. Next, chopped onion and scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, it has been finely chopped. And then our palm oil, salt. We have some snails here too, and our seasoning powder, and not forgetting our crayfish. Yes, so these are all what we'll be using for this very rich and yummy delicacy. All right, first off, we'll start by putting our fish inside a pot, going next with our shrimps and our calamari. Now what we're going to be doing here is steaming this. Yes, we'll add a little water and then steam this. Don't forget to add your chopped onion and your scotch bonnet pepper. You can decide to skip this pepper, or you might say, oh, that's a lot of pepper you've got in there. But don't forget, I love the heat so much. I love my food very, very spicy. You go in with some salt and seasoning powder and add your water. Cover and allow to cook. So while this is cooking, if you're just watching my video or you just came across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share my videos. You get, so that the algorithms will push it to the right people. All right, our fish is ready at this point and we're going to be taking it out of the pot. The reason why we're taking this out is because we don't want this to get lost in the food. We still want our fish very visible and whole. If we don't take it out while stirring and stirring, adding other ingredients and stirring, the fish would, it will break and we might not see it, and I wouldn't like that. Next, we're going with our snail. Here I was using an already boiled snail. The snail has been cooked, so we're not going to be cooking it for so long here because we still want you get that crunchy texture in it. And don't be stingy with your crayfish, because what is a Nigerian soup without crayfish? You see, that flavor you're looking for, this crayfish is something that gives it that flavor. So go in with a generous amount of the crayfish, your palm oil, a little or much depending on your choice, but you can decide to do this oilless without any of this. And next, we're going in with our cut or chopped okra. We're going to be cooking this just for a few minutes because we don't want this overcooked, yet we want all the nutrients to still be intact. All, did I say all? Okay, all of them might not be intact, but a very sizable amount of it will be. Pouring your fish that you took out and then you allow to cook for a few minutes. Guys, you need to taste this. It tastes so good, and your seafood okra is ready. If you've watched at this point, please let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out on my next video. And do well to share this video, do well to subscribe, do well to like, and you can turn on your notification bell so that you would be the first to get a notification whenever I post a new video. Oh my god, this is so yummy. It was the best seafood okra I've ever had. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would like for you to try out this recipe and holler me in the comment section to let me know how it went. Or if you're finding it difficult or you don't understand any part of this video, you can also drop a comment there and I'll be right there. Until my next video, stay safe and be good. Bye.